Good morning, y'all. I'm up. It is so late. It's like, I think it's like 9:59. Oh no, 10 o'clock exactly. So guys, you know I made my video. If you haven't catch it, go back and watch it. I made a live like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. I am doing another detox. It's March 1st. It's March 1st. Hope you wrote your goals out for March 1st. It's March 1st, guys. Gotta get it together. I'm doing another detox. So the detox that I'm doing is with Teami blends. Again, right here. You can see it. Ooh, too close. Like, there we go. Teami blends. I'm doing another 30-day detox. So why am I doing another 30-day detox? One, because I need it. For the past month, I've been on vacation. A lot of time was spent home, but a lot of time was also spent away. And mixed in with all of that, yeah, your girl's been eating like crap. So, day one, like I don't know if you've seen my other two Teami blends videos, make sure you watch it. We're on day one. So, we also did the giveaway, which unfortunately the person that won the giveaway, they don't want to be put on camera, so I won't be able to show you any of their pictures for before and after, but I can show you mine. The 30-day detox, it comes with the skinny tea and the colon tea, both of them. You get your detox calendar, which every odd day is just the skinny tea. So it's a loose leaf tea. So like I have mine here in my little tea thing. It's so good. And then on every even day is where you take the colon tea. So besides today, every other odd day in the morning, you're gonna be having like some cramps. You're gonna be going to the bathroom because it's like a colon cleanse. You're gonna be, you know, cleansing your colon. For the ladies, when I did this back in January, the days that I had my cycle, it was a no-go. Couldn't do it. Like I couldn't take both sets of cramps. I couldn't take those cramps plus the cramps. Couldn't do it. So I had to stop on those days. But outside of those days, I did it every day. You can look at my other videos and you can see my results from that. So I decided, Jessica, you've been eating like shit for the past month. Your body, I know, I can feel that my body needs a cleanse. The only difference between the last detox and this detox, last detox, I didn't work out because my hair was straight. And I know what you're thinking, Jessica, your hair is straight now, right? Yeah, I know. But my hair's not staying straight for that long this time like it did last time. So I will actually be working out. So I feel like my results are gonna be even better this go round than they were last go round because I'm actually going to be working out. So one of the things that I wanted to look at, because you know I'm always looking at my social media posts trying to find, was normally our tea would have like a little positive quote, but for this month we're not going to have that because our Teami tea is just loose leaf tea. It doesn't have a little quote on it. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about was something that I saw this morning that I reposted on my story. So I saw it and the post said, the person I was last year doesn't exist. I keep leveling up. And I saw that and I was like, man. And I literally wrote, I was like, man, what? I say this all the time because I do. 2020 was such an eye-opener for me. We have got to take care of ourselves physically and mentally. Getting within arm's length of me is VIP status only. That's for my mental health. Getting response out of me, child please, my response game is better than Lori Harvey's. You're not getting a reaction out of me, you're getting a response. My peace is priceless. So I saw that this morning and I was like, well, since I'm not gonna have my regular tea, like that's the thing about the person that I was last year, you don't know that person anymore. My level up game is crazy. Like I really saw that and I just really was like, that's so true because how I was last year is totally different. Like my birthday for me, like October of last year, really solidified a lot of things for me when I just saw how different people moved, what they did, what they said. Really just was like a full circle all the way from the beginning of the year to the end. But my birthday was really what kind of like, you know what, it's time for a change. You have got to take care of your physical health priority and your mental health priority. So I did that detox in January. I told you guys that's why detox coming clearing out 2020. Now, that was like a mental. Now it's purely physical, because your girl been eating like junk. Been eating like junk this past month. I'm not even gonna hold you. So one of the things that I saw, which our thing today is coming from Black Health Tube. This is an Instagram page that I started following a few weeks ago, and I really like it. And it was saying, here's why you need to detox. And it has a list of all these things to let you know why you need to detox. Sugar cravings, constipation, bloating, gas, headaches, fatigue, belly fat, skin problems, low energy, bad breath, irritable, mood swings. Y'all, if y'all knew how much on this list that I have, that's how I knew it was time to detox. So on top of this, it was another post that I saw that was talking about a colon cleanse. And I told you guys this the last time I did this detox. Many people can have between 10 to 20 pounds of toxins sitting in their colon that cause weight gain. Digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and IBS. Cleansing using the colon once or twice a year is important to eliminate toxins and excess fecal matter. Here's what you can do. This is from this page that they do. Me, I'm doing the teami blends detox, not this detox. But it was so true, because when I did that last detox, I lost like anywhere, because it changed when I had to get off the colon tea. The max that I had lost was 6 pounds, but I think at the end it ended up being right around 4 was my end result of pounds, and it was all just toxins and waste. So this go round, y'all, it's the same thing. So we got the measuring tape. I actually have on clothes under the robe today. We're about to measure our starting with hopefully what we get at the end. So we got our measuring tape. Our waist, which normally, you know, when you do your measurements, ladies, it's always your chest, your waist, and then your hips, right? We don't need to do chest, because this detox is helping my chest. But our waist is at 27.5, which is the same as last time. Because we're doing a detox, which is always this like this fupa area that we'd be having right here, we're going to measure our fupa 32.5. So if you remember from the last one, my little fupa had got down to a 31. It was at a 32, so I've actually went back up. So we're gonna work on all this right here. And then hips, 43, as always. So let me write that down so I can remember. So we're at 27.5, throw us at 32.5, and 43. Not really worried about my chest, because, you know, it's not gonna change. But so that's where we're starting. So on day 30, was there 31 days in March? 31 days in March, but there's only 30 days in the detox. So on day 31, we'll come back, we'll measure. If you guys want me to do a 15-day update like I did last time, let me know. But so we're getting started. We need to detox. We need to cleanse, especially me after this past weekend that I had. Oh my God, the trip from hell, guys. Like, I just need a complete reset. It's Monday, it's the 1st. Set your work goals, set your mental goals, set your physical goals, set your life goals for the month. Y'all know what I'm about to do. Let's get started.